Good morning, guys. It's it, what's up, you guys? It's GoDogs Farming. What you guys got doing? Bigfoot fishing, doing anything? So, well, right now, you guys, I am heading to work, so that's what I'm going to be doing. So, I'll talk to you guys when I head to work.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do. It's GoDogs for one.
Hey guys, so right now, you guys, I'm just heading to work. So that's the plan, you guys. So I'll talk to you guys when I'm done at work. So right now, you guys, I'm just got done work, so I'll talk to you guys what I'm gonna be doing. So I'll talk to you guys when I get home. So right now, you guys, we're just doing my ears, so that's what I'm doing. Oh wait, now you guys, I got my ears done, and my dad and me got wet for a walk, you guys. Yes, that's what we did, and I'm making some scrambled eggs because I'm starving still. I don't know what I'm gonna cook up the scrambled eggs, so that's what I'm doing. So I'll talk to you guys when I cook up the scrambled egg. Hey guys, I'm just been eating peanut butter, you guys. Yeah, I just relaxing right now, you guys. I'm just being eating peanut butter just by itself. I love eating peanut butter by itself. It's so good, you guys. So anyhow, I'm getting today's video. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do. And the new video, good